Greetings friends, welcome to how to install Pycharm Community Edition. If you want to start getting started coding with Python, then one of the first things you'll need is a development environment or some way to type your code and get it running, and one of the most convenient ways to do that is with an IDE. Not to say you can't use Notepad. If you wanted, you could, but first thing we're going to do is go to Pycharm Community Edition's website, rather the Pycharm JetBrains website. Hit download, wait for that. Open this up, set your destination folder. I'm going to go with the default. I would recommend hitting Open Folder as Project. It'll allow you to easier navigate your projects by using the Windows Explorer to directly open your projects by just right-clicking inside of a folder, and you'll be able to open it directly from the Windows Explorer. Wait for all this to install. Fortunately, the difference between this and VS Code or some other IDE is that you may have to install Python to get that to work, but with this should work out the gate. If it doesn't, we'll get Python installed as well. Not sure why that tried to open twice. All right, go ahead and hit run. Open that up. I'm gonna go ahead and say no. All right, so here we are. On this page right here, you can go ahead and hit new project. So it's using Python 3.9 as the base interpreter. I'm not sure. I think it might need to install that, but if we go location up here, you can see this is where it's going to put the project. This is your project name right here. Python project isn't a bad starter name, but I'm going to go ahead and set it to Python 1. We're going to hit create. Oh, there we go. It looks like it's installing Python for us. We set it to Python 3.10 in that previous window, so you'll want to make sure you set it to that so you get a more recent version compared to 3.9. Give that a minute. There we go. It looks like Python finished installing. All right. So you can see it created a main.py file for us. You're going to get this pop-up asking if you want to download pre-built shared indexes. Generally, it's advised that you hit always download. This will just make Pycharm load up a little bit quicker. So it gives us this default text right here, which we can delete. And there you go. You can see down here in the bottom right, we're running Python 3.10 as our interpreter. And to just start a little hello world, as is tradition, use the command print. If you go up here and hit the play button or shift F10, you'll see we get our result down there. All right, hope that was helpful.